In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Elementor. Whether you're looking to add a bit of motion for visual interest or want to convey a point more dynamically, incorporating GIFs into your design is a great way to enhance your site. Let's dive in and take you through each step of the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll be comfortable adding GIFs to your Elementor pages in a breeze. First things first, you'll want to open the page you intend to edit using Elementor. Once you're in the page editor, look for the image widget. You'll find it on the left-hand side panel, usually under the basic elements. Click and drag the image widget into the desired section of your page where you envision your GIF appearing. Be mindful of its placement. Whether it should be front and center, or maybe more of an accent in a sidebar, will depend on the overall layout you're aiming for. Now that you have the widget set in place, let's configure it. Switch over to the Content tab if you aren't there already. Here, you'll see an option to select or upload an image from your media library. Click on that, and if you've already uploaded your GIF, scroll through and select it. If not, simply hit the Upload button, find the GIF file on your computer, and upload it directly into your media library. This step connects your animated image to the widget. A critical aspect is ensuring your GIF displays correctly with its full animation intact. To do this, make certain that the image size is set to full size. It's a little but crucial step. Choosing options like medium or thumbnail could flatten the graphic, causing it to lose its animation capability. So, to retain the movement and detail your GIF offers, full size is the way to go. Once you've got the GIF properly placed and sized, you might want to tweak its appearance a bit to blend more naturally with your page's design. For this, head over to the Style tab. Here, you'll have tools at your disposal to adjust things like width and max width, alignment, and even considerations like padding, which can affect how your GIF aligns within its column or section. While these adjustments are optional, they're worth exploring to ensure your GIF integrates seamlessly into your overall design. Finally, when you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to see it in action. Click Update or Publish to save your changes. Don't forget to preview your page as well, just to make sure that breeze of animation pops perfectly in context. Seeing the GIF live will give you a last opportunity to make any adjustments if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Elementor page. Adding these animated elements can really uplift your content and captivate your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!